أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، الرحمن الرحيم، مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم، صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon His last and beloved Messenger Muhammad. This lecture is entitled How to Learn Engineering Sciences Fully from the Noble Quran, and it will focus on how to learn mechanical engineering from the Book of Allah, God Almighty. One aspect of mechanical engineering is the question of how to design a heat exchanger with optimal performance characteristics. So one application in mechanical engineering is the design of heat exchangers, devices that can exchange thermal energy. So how Allah God Almighty teaches us to design heat exchangers with optimal performance characteristics from the Noble Quran. The key to this can be found in the Quranic verse number 9 in chapter 35 of the Noble Quran, which states, "And it is Allah God who sends the winds so that they cause turbulence in the clouds, and Allah God drives them to a dead land and revives therewith the earth after its death. As such will be the resurrection." So if we ponder and reflect about this Quranic verse, we see that cloud formation is a process of mass and heat exchange. Thus Allah the Almighty states that the clouds are formed in a process of causing turbulence by the winds. Thus, it can be concluded that turbulence is the optimal mean of obtaining maximum heat and mass transfer. So this is one concept that Allah the Almighty teaches us from the Noble Quran, that causing turbulence in the medium is the best environment to exchange heat and mass. This is the basic principle of heat exchangers with optimal characteristics, performance characteristics. So another aspect that Allah teaches us in the Noble Quran can be seen in the following Quranic verses. In verse number 21 in chapter 51 of the Noble Quran, Allah states, "And in yourself will you not then see." And in chapter 95 verse 4 it states, "Allah God created humans in optimal form." Thus Allah the Almighty urges people to study and examine their bodies. Also Allah the Almighty states that He created humans in optimal form. Thus the human body is a textbook in optimal design, such that optimal design ideas can be learned from it. So if you want the design of a heat exchanger, you want the design of a perfect structural system, you want the design of a perfect mechanical system, you need to look in your body, because Allah Almighty created an optimal form. So Allah Almighty teaches you from the human body all you need in engineering designs and concepts. So with regards to heat exchangers, if you look at wind flow on human skin, as you can see, the human skin contains hairs on its surface. Now if we ponder and reflect, and Allah God Almighty urges us to ponder and reflect about our bodies, we see that the hairs of the human body, what you see on the screen is a view of human skin, and you can see the hair. Now what's very important to notice that hairs, Allah God Almighty arranged them in a hexagonal mesh. They are not lined up straight, but every 3 hairs they form a triangle, and triangles they form hexagonal structures. So Allah God Almighty arranged the hairs on human skin in a hexagonal pattern. Now what's the importance of this hexagonal pattern? When wind flows on the human skin, the air atoms, they cannot penetrate the hair, so they go around it. When they go around it, they produce a pattern like water waves. So the pattern of airflow on human skin is similar to water waves, and this causes turbulence in the air touching the skin. So the air near to the skin, this hexagonal arrangement causes turbulence in it. Now what's the importance of this turbulence? As you can see on the screen, if we have a surface of a body which does not contain projections, what happens is this, that the first layer of atoms need to be heated up Then the next layer, this heat is transferred from the first layer to the second one, and then from the second to the third, and so forth. So this results in slow transfer of thermal energy, i.e. low efficiency. Now, as in the skin, Allah might put projections on the surface. Now these projections, they cause turbulence in the air, they cause breaking up of these layers. So what happens is that the atoms near the surface, they get heated up, and they knocked out of their place by this turbulence phenomena. Then the colder atoms come and touch the surface. So this results in a very fast exchange of thermal energy, optimal performance. So the importance of the hexagonal arrangement of hair on the human skin, to summarize, it produces a pattern for windy flow on the skin, exactly like water waves, which causes turbulence in the fluid of the skin, and which ensures optimal exchange of thermal energy from the human body, which is a basic requirement of the human body, so that heat will not accumulate in your body and cause pain and discomfort. So Allah teaches us the design of heat and mass exchangers to obtain optimal mass and heat transfer, that you need to cause turbulence in the medium, inside and outside the exchanger. And a way of achieving this is putting projections on the surface, exactly like skin, in a hexagonal pattern to achieve this. So Allah God Almighty teaches the believer this, so that he would be the teacher of others and not the one on the receiving end. And to know more about this, please visit my website at www.quran-miracle.com, and you can email me at zaidquran@yahoo.com. And may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all.